This 15-inch titanium cutting board feels impressively solid and stable on the counter, giving you a confident surface for everyday prep work. Because it is made from pure titanium, the board does not absorb liquids or odors, which helps keep raw meat, fruit, and vegetables from cross-contaminating each other. Unlike plastic or wooden boards that can develop deep grooves and harbor residue, this surface resists cuts and shavings, so it stays smoother and more hygienic over time. The material is completely non-toxic and does not shed microparticles into your food, which is reassuring if you are trying to reduce hidden contaminants in your kitchen. Knives glide cleanly across the metal with a crisp, satisfying feel. Yet the board maintains enough grip and weight that it does not slide around while you are chopping. Cleanup is extremely quick because food and stains do not cling to the non-porous surface, so a simple rinse under running water usually leaves it looking freshly polished.